what I'm trying to say is that you need to work on real projects here. Some foundations from whatever foundations you build now. So whatever foundations you have, you need to build it, and then you have to work on real projects around this space, right? You don't have to have a PhD around this to contribute to AI systems, but you need to have solid foundations no matter that about that, right? You have to have evidence of some applied skills. That means you have to apply it. You know something and you applied it. You need to have evidence of that. Employers need to know what you can do, not just what you know, right? Right? Let me repeat that. They need to know what you can do, not just what you know. That's why your learning path matters, right? You need to have a structured learning path and some skills as well as a way to apply them in your careers. Basically, what I'm saying is you have to have a combination of conceptual understanding and hands-on experience. So that means hands-on labs, guided projects, portfolio building work. These are something you have to think about. You have to develop this actively, right? So hands-on lab practice on hands-on labs, coding exercises as relevant to your job roles, or work with those who are hands-on job roles to develop the product, or work on business side of it to make products effectively. So all these things can be a hands-on exercise in teams, right? So you can form, say, in your university, if those are students learn to practice business side, product side as and technical side by switching roles, so that you learn this. So form a team of three, and then you practice this by alternating the roles. Take the role of engineer, product manager, and business owner, and then practice it by following the process around it, and then switch the roles. Like that, keep practicing, and you will be able to understand by this role play how these things are working. Right? Then in the portfolio, what you do is you document your projects. This project you have built in the college, you share it on the GitHub. Even if it's a college project, check it into GitHub. That will build your portfolio. You can build a personal website also which has that, right? So that is a proof that you have worked on this, no? Because you have a website, you have a GitHub where you have done the coding, you have documented it. So that means you're creating your own portfolio, and that will make you employable. Right. So pretty much boot camps and nano degrees are a good way to learn because they'll give you immersive experience about the theoretical concepts, and they give you the experience of the project-based experience also, also, right? Now you have career-oriented certificate programs, and they can bundle with the job search support and everything also. Those kind of platforms are also there. Right. So that's how you can reflect where you are, and you can get the support from Dipali also if you need to help around what that can be arranged. And so that will move ahead. Uh, so what are some of the examples here? Examples of structured learning programs and resources. AI learning platforms can show AI engineer, ML engineer, data engineer, product-based programs, generative agentic AI teach how you build chatbots. So these are project-based systems, these are skill-based systems, and data science tracks are core foundations, Python data analysis, AI and product for business programs. They target hybrid roles, teaching how to define use cases, design experiments, and integrate AI into strategy. So like that, there is all these programs which can be made use of.